Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a Shopify app called Fast Blog. Fast Blog is an AI-powered blogging tool that helps you create and publish SEO-friendly blogs consistently. And the best part is it requires minimal effort. I actually use Fast Blog on my own website and I add it to all of my website clients' websites too, because consistently posting SEO-friendly blogs allows you to increase organic traffic, strengthen brand trust, and with this app, you can maintain an active blog without adding extra hours or even hiring blog writers. Okay, you know the drill. Let's dive into my computer and I'm going to show you how to add this Fast Blog app to your website right now. Once you install the app onto your Shopify App Store, you can select the plan that works best for you and your business. For the sake of this video, and if you are just starting out, go ahead and click the starter plan. Then you're just going to hit approve. And once you approve and install the app onto your Shopify store, then this is what the initial page is going to look like. To get started, the first thing we're going to do is click on this create blog post. Next, you will see that we are going to create an AI agent. Here is where you can name your AI agent, and this is just for internal purposes only. Your customers will not see this agent name, so just give your AI agent a name that you will remember. For example, let's just do blog writer. Now we're going to review the post information. So this is where you will give the AI agent the topic. So based upon your business, insert the topic here for the AI agent to create blogs about. For the sake of this video, this client, Twinklet, sells personalized baby blankets and baby swaddle sets. So I'm going to write personalized baby swaddle sets. Now that I have solidified my post information topic, the next thing I'm going to focus on is the keywords. Now these are the keywords that I want the AI agent to focus on when writing the blogs. So what I suggest doing is thinking about your business and think about 5 to 10 different keywords that relate to your company and then insert those keywords into this section right here. So for example, with my Twinklet client, she sells, again, personalized baby blankets and personalized baby swaddle sets. So the keywords that I want the AI agent to focus on are things like personalized baby blankets, swaddle sets, baby shower gifts, newborn announcement blankets, kids blankets with name, and nursery blankets. What you could also do, and this is another little tip, is you could use AI and ask AI what keywords you should be focusing on inside of your business and then insert those keywords right into this section. Moving on, now we're going to tell AI the number of sections we want our blog post to contain. By default, you will see that 3 sections are selected, which is pretty good in my opinion. You don't want the blog to be too long and you also don't want it to be too short. So I'm going to stick with 3. You can also tell the AI agent your section length. So by default, it says 300 for the word count for each section, which is also a pretty decent amount. So we can leave that, but you can always increase or decrease. And here you can see that the minimum is 300 and the maximum is 1,000. You can tell the AI agent whether or not you want them to generate an image, and this would be an image for the post. I would highly suggest leaving this as yes, because this will also save you more time. You don't have to create images for your blog post. The AI agent will do it all for you. But if you're also very particular about the way your images look on your website, then you can just select no. For the sake of this video, I want to go ahead and leave it as yes though. Now you're going to tell the agent what kind of tone it should have when writing blogs for you. You can click this little drop down button and you'll see all the different tones. You have things like friendly, professional, luxury, playful, educational, so on and so forth. So make sure you just select the tone that works best for your business. For this particular client, I want to go ahead and select empathetic since she sells items that are related to children and babies and things that really play on your emotions. You can also select which language the AI agent will write the blog post in. For this video, we're going to leave it as English. And under the blog section, you're going to select where the blog will be posted. If you want to, you can also select a collection that is related to this blog post. As you can see here, these are all of her different collections, and so I'm going to select Baby Swaddle, because I want the blog to primarily focus on the baby swaddles and the baby blankets. Here you will give the AI agent an author name, so make sure you either put your name or your company name. I am just going to put Twinklet. And then this part is pretty important. You want to make sure that the visibility is set to visible, so that way the post actually shows up on your website, otherwise it won't. Scrolling up to the top, on the right hand side, you'll see different things like notification box. Make sure this box is turned on, so that way you can receive an email every time your AI agent generates a new post for you. In this section over here on the schedule side, you can select how many posts you want the agent to generate per day. You can also select the interval between the different generations. So for example, you can tell the AI agent to post a blog every 3 days, and you can give it a start date. And here is where you can schedule what time of day you want the post to actually publish onto your storefront. Starting out, I think generating 1 post every 3 days is pretty good. And then as you continue to use the app, you can always go back in and tell the agent whether or not you want to increase or decrease your frequency. Make sure the status is active, otherwise the automation will not work. And then once you are done, just go ahead and click save. After you click save, you'll notice on the AI agents tab within Fast Blog, you will see a list of all of your different agents. Here is an overview, and as you create more agents and give the agent more topics, the list will get longer and longer. If you wanted to go ahead and generate a post instead of waiting for the schedule, you can click this little generate a post button up at the top. When the agent has finished creating a post for you, you will see this success sign up here, and then you can click view post. This is the blog section on the back end of our Shopify admin, and this is what the blog looks like. You can read through the entire blog here, and if you wanted to make any changes, you can do that as well. If you also wanted to change the image, you would change the image right here. And to see what this blog looks like on your website, you just click the little view button. Here you can see the name, the image, and then down here is all of the blog information that the AI agent generated for you. Going back to our Fast Blog app, if you go down here on the left-hand side under Post, here you will see a list of all of the different blogs that the AI agent has generated for you. And just like that, you can see how easy it is to set up Fast Blog and let your AI agent write all of your blog posts for you. Thank you for watching today's video. If you want to learn about Shopify, email marketing, different apps to use, and just business things in general, then consider subscribing to my channel. And if you've been around for a while, then you know the drill. I will see you in the next video.